It's another day hanging out with us. And somehow this happened. This wasn't even planned. This wasn't a part of the plan. But last night a friend of mine hit me up saying that there's going to be a car show. She didn't know anything about it until this morning. So this is what we're doing.
And then?
This is what we're doing.
And then?
And then we'll speak about then later on.
But we're going to be out for the day.
Yeah, we're going to be out for the day.
Are we getting ice cream?
I must say, I'm really in awe to see so many different classic cars. And I can identify certain things
There's
that...
stuff on the ground.
I can identify certain things in the car. I'm not a car person in terms of can identify the parts. But I remember my father classic car, he had a Cartina. And I saw the carburetor in most of these cars. I'm like, oh, look there, something I can relate to. So it's really cool to see that people really keep their vehicle in top shape. And these are old cars.
Absolutely.
You know? So I applaud all these car owners for keeping their cars in good, having good maintenance and, you know, keeping up with whatever DMP tells you to do. This is the first I've ever owned something close to. Thank you so much for the experience.
Yeah, he's tired.
So, I got the privilege of, you know, shooting on somebody's truck.
You got the chance to fire the 50 caliber, which
I don't know the type of gun it was, but it feels good. It feels like I can shoot now. But it was nice for the most part. I mean, the military, he served. Wow.
it's blank, so nobody died today. Nobody died. Don't worry about it.
I think I see myself in this car. So vision with me. Come on, people. See myself in this car. Me, not the kids. Well, Kenny too. But I'm driving. Going to the beach. What do you think? Yes, in my little sunglasses and hat. Saying toodles, 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 y'all. So it's the end of the car show. We're sitting here by the lake. You can see the beautiful lake behind us. It's a wonderful property. And so we stop here just to take a, you know, chill time. So you guys get to see the car show. So please like, share, subscribe, and remember to click the notification bell so you can see where we're going next. And this is the Lewis family. And we're out.
Peace. Bye-bye.